Hello, I'm Miss Sarah, one of the children's librarians at the Franklin Public Library, and today I'm going to show you one of the Crafty kits that we have out right now, and it is the Gingerbread Man candy dish. This is going to be really fun to make. So let's go through some of the items that you have in your Crafty kit. You should have 2 cups, a container of white paint, a paintbrush for the white paint, 2 pom-poms. You should also have a container of glue, so you can either use that glue, or if you have a glue bottle, you can always use your own glue bottle too. And then you also have a craft stick in case you want to use the glue that we gave you. You can help put it on using that craft stick. You should also have a ribbon and a pipe cleaner and a small tiny bag of candy. What you don't have that you are going to need is you might need some scissors. I'm saying might, you might. And then you might need some, we have glue. And you're gonna need markers. So find some markers, or I mean, you can even use more paint if you want. However you wanna do it is fine. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna start off by making the top of our gingerbread man. So you want your cup to be facing up like this, and we're going to use the white paint to make those little cute little gingerbread squiggles on top that you always see on gingerbread man. So you just do a little curved motion all the way around. And then you have those cute little squiggles. You see it? And you're gonna need that paintbrush again, so just put it off to the side. And then we're gonna use our markers to draw on a little face for the gingerbread man. So figure out where you want the front of your gingerbread man to be. And then just draw on a face, however you want to do that. And there's my little gingerbread face. So I gave him some cheeks, 2 eyes, and a mouth. All right, let's see what we're gonna do next. We have to decorate the other cup. So now you're gonna want your other cup, decorate it like this, facing down. So I'm gonna move this one off to the side, let it dry a little bit, that's great. And we're going to, I think it's gonna be easier I'm gonna paint my squiggles on first. So use your paint again and paint those squiggles all the way around. On the bottom, so down here. And now we're gonna glue on those 2 pom-poms to be his little buttons down his front. So, some glue on. And when those are dry, whenever you feel like they're ready, we are going to glue on the top cup to the bottom cup. And I'm going to try to get the glue right on the edges so that they can stick together. So you can either use your glue, if you have a glue bottle at home, you can use that, or you can use the glue that we gave you. Let's try gluing on that pipe cleaner. And then you twist the pipe cleaners. Once he's dry, the pipe cleaners are on. You twist the little hands to look like hands. And then the last thing we're going to do is tie the ribbon around our gingerbread man. So very carefully tie it on him. And there you have your gingerbread man candy dish. And the very, very, very last thing you do is, here, I'll move this out of the way. Very, very, very last thing you do with this cute little gingerbread man is you make it a candy dish by putting in that bag of candy. So toss it in. Yay! And now you can enjoy your gingerbread man candy dish. The very important thing about this one is you've got to make sure you're letting things dry as you go, because if you do things too soon after you put glue on, it might fall apart. So just take your time on this one, okay? Hope you enjoy your gingerbread man candy dish. Come a little closer. Bye!